So these little eyebrow hairs, that's what I'm trying to get rid of. So first up, we take the cocoa butter lotion, put them on the eyebrows. It helps with it not hurting when I use the tweezer. I'm pulling out these tiny little hairs. Next up, these are all the tools I use. I barely use the big one, but those are the scissors, that's the little spoolie. These little tweezers are my favorite to use. I find it easier to use them to pull all these little hairs out better than the bigger ones. I got these at Five Below, if any of you were wondering. So I just place it against my skin. Try not to pull the skin itself, but pulling out the little hairs. And that just pulls it out. There is a little pinch when you pull it out, like you feel like a little bit, kind of. So be aware of that if you never tweezed your eyebrows before. Get all these little darn stubborn eyebrow hairs. They're so annoying. But I haven't done my eyebrows in months. For some reason, on my eyebrows, sometimes the little strands go down to the upper part of my eyelid. So I do have to hold it. Look at all the hair on it. Ugh, so gross. So nasty. Okay. And I'm just pulling that off right there. Look at that. Ugh. Okay. Wow. The veins on my eyelids look gross. Okay, so I'm just continuing with that there. Oh my goodness, what happened to my eye there? That looks gross. But anyways, now it's time to do the hair on the bridges of my nose. Well, on the bridge of my nose. I don't like having a unibrow. I know, it's so curved. It looks crazy. Anyways, I use the tweezer the same way that I use it on my brow itself. Just to pluck any hairs that's there. Okay, now to do the other eyebrow. For some reason this side looks like it has more hair. Yep, so you do it the same way on this side that I did on the other. I just tweeze and tweeze and tweeze. Yep, they're showing you that you use the flat part of this tweezer on the skin, so that way it's easier to pull the hair.
Definitely true. My buddy Grwm, I actually used to look up the things he would say to try to prove him wrong, but it turns out one behind the back?
Thank you. Alright, 3 balls left. I think you read a box from my good charm, so what else we got?
Actually, yeah, I do know that. CRs, whole hands, flowers.
It's pretty cute. Do you grab that? sir?
Oh, I'm not above charity. Yes, I will take a turn. I'm at 15 right there, and then corner pack.
So this side is looking pretty good. Bless you. Look at the hair on the tweezer. So gross. That's nasty. Okay, and I'm just making sure I get all the hairs. Making sure my eyebrows look kind of even. They're not identical twins. They're fraternal. I'm sure most people's eyebrows aren't identical either. But anyway, just clean it up a little more.
I see you.
Better luck next time. It was nice to meet you.
Since you know.
Hey, wait a second. What's your name?
Abigail.
Okay, now I'm just making sure all the hairs in the same direction here with my fingers. Checking to see if they're even, making sure I didn't miss out on any hairs there on either side. Trying to make it look good. And now I got hairs on the top part. Those I have to tweeze as well. But first, I'm going to use the little spoolie, brush my hair upwards. Sometimes the eyebrow hair is pretty long and makes the hair go out of place. So I'm brushing it up. Then I'm going to take, so I'm taking a scissor and I'm gliding it across, making sure that I don't cut my skin. Just gliding it gently around the hair so you can do the general shape. And then we can cut the long strands of eyebrow hair. See? You can see that one came off the scissor and then up on my forehead. You can see it there in between my unibrow. Okay, and then after I take the spoolie and I brush my brows, let me remove all that loose hair. Okay, use the spoolie to brush it. Yep. My eyebrows have always been naturally thin, so and now I'm going to put some cocoa butter on my brows again. There you go. Perfect, perfect. And in the middle, can't forget the the nose bridge area. I was gonna say unibrow. And then after that, I'm just gonna look at it, make sure it all looks good. I have to get the hair that's above my eyebrow. So since the hair goes more towards my forehead, it's not even connected directly to my eyebrow. But yeah, so I'm getting all that hair. Don't want to forget that. Uh-oh.
Just like one of Santa's little helpers. One that probably needs the most help. It's good to hear from you.
No.
Something I'm good at. I wrote it down. That crowd with more random facts?
Everybody loves random facts.
That's your first time.
Glad it did. No, that was Radix.
It is close.
Yeah.
Oh, just get the hair from the other side. So close. Okay, now completely we're getting the rest of the hair.
Complicated right now.
Gonna make sure it looks smooth.
Wait, you don't have like any beverages or anything you can withdraw, do I?
Haha, so clever.
I have my moments.
She's beautiful. 59? Kind of regretting having you meeting me here instead of picking me up, but I gotta figure out if you're a murderer before I let you know where I live.
Spoiler alert, I am definitely.
But did you know that a recent survey
Now that that's done,
season is a murderer's favorite time of
I'm just gonna smooth it out with my finger again. Looking good. Looking good. Look at that lotion in the middle of my nose. But yeah, looking good. All done.